Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to be playing Disassembly Simulator, I guess, 3D. So we're just gonna start destroying this speaker. Whoa, that's loud. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but I played this earlier and I did not know it had sound. And I did not know the sound was gonna be this loud, so sorry if it's very loud. We're just kind of taking these screws out here. Okay. Screws taken out. Now we're gonna see, can we take this off? We're just gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this. Oh, I can take. Oh, I can. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Take that screw out. Okay. Now, can I take this entire thing off? Ooh. Yeah, boy, finding stuff. Oh, we're just gonna take this. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, I cannot take that off yet. I gotta take these screws out. Stupid screws. Get them all out. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I did take it out. I didn't even realize it. Take this one out. There. Take this one out. Go to this one. Take this one out. You guys are probably wanting me to just chuck this thing by now, but we're gonna do it the easy way. Well, the hard way, I guess you could say. Could just start throwing this thing around. But we're gonna do it the easy way. Come on. Get the screw out. Okay, here we go. Now we can take this off. There's that sound. Okay, wait, we gotta go to the back now. Now, let's see, we gotta take this part off. Oh, that's the entire thing. Get that off. Still 24 pieces. Oh yeah, we gotta get the screws off of here. So we're gonna click on the screw. Pull the screw out. Can you get out of my way, sir? Go. Where'd that go? Okay, that's over there on the floor. Wait, can I pick this table up? Oh, man. I was hoping I could, like, flip the table. I got just a whole bunch of screws here on the table. And that's why I wanted to just see if I could flip the table over. That'd been cool. Just get all the screws to fly everywhere. Oh my god, this is hard. These screws are itty bitty, so it's actually kind of hard to get them out. There we go. Now we're going to take this metal piece off. Oh! Okay, does this entire thing come off now? Yes, it does. It's kind of focused there. I was trying to see if there's any screws. Then we're just going to take this little piece off right here. And it looks like there's another one up here, which we're going to go ahead and rip it off. And can we chuck it out that window? I kind of wish we could, and I don't think we can, though. Go out! Whoa! Wow, I just chucked that across the room. Just gonna chuck that one. Then we gotta get this one off, so I'm gonna have to chuck it as well. We're just gonna take it. We're just gonna go. Yoink. I have no idea where that went. Okay, it says we still have 10 pieces to take apart. We're just gonna throw that. Just gonna throw this. Okay, now there's 8 parts. And then it's probably gonna count this, because it's not. Okay, no, it didn't. Okay, there's one of the parts that we haven't taken off yet. Okay, so there's 6 parts left. Oh, okay, so we have something here. So what exactly is this? Wait. Time to put this on the table. There's something to do with it. Okay, so we're gonna just plop that down on the table. Did that make it? Okay, I couldn't tell. It looks like we did make it on there. So now it is on the table. Okay. So now how do I take this? Oh! Oh! Can this stop spinning for a second? Please? Darn it. I need to stop spinning so I can get this part out. There we go. Okay, now there's 5 left. So let's see. Oh, and then I gotta take this piece out. So wait, do I have to do this with the other big one? Holy crap. Okay, yeah, that's... Oh! Well, that had a thing around it. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, no, that's all one piece. Because there's something in here, somewhere, that has not been taken apart, and I have no idea where it's at. It's nothing to do with this. So there's 2 things. Where those 2 things are, I don't exactly know. Let's see here. Anything up here that looks like it's not completely taken apart. We have all the screws down on the floor right here. Okay, we have that. Have that. I think everything's picked up. I must be missing something. Because it's saying that everything's not picked up. So I most definitely am missing something. Now where is that something at? I have no clue. Is it because like stuff is touching? I don't know. I've never really played this before, so I don't really know. Can I break this glass? I've been wondering. Yoink. Nope, that ain't happening. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's not glass. That's glass over there. Ah. So we're just gonna throw that over there. Now, if we come over here. This camera is confusing me. Why am I locked onto this right here when I should be locked onto that over there? Okay. Cannot break the glass. That is confirmed. But, I don't know. So I can't find this piece. I have no idea where this piece is at. Squeeze must find it, though. It's somewhere around here. Is it something to do with this? I think I've taken this completely apart. But I don't know exactly. Okay, nothing with this. I feel like it's something like itty bitty. And I have no clue what that would be. Okay, I'm confuzzled. I don't know about you guys. Tell me down in the comments if you know what it is. Or what you think it might be. Because I have no clue, and that is confirmed. That thing's still spinning. What is this? Holy crap. Oh, whoa, I did not like that sound. Huh, I don't know. But I think we're gonna call it a quits here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a pleasant day. And at that, I'm going to end the video. Goodbye.